video, I am replacing the fuel filter 2002 Ford. Let's get started.
Here's the fuel filter right now. Pop that up. There it is, it's loose. This is a disconnector tool line. Get these at AutoZone for these type of lines. Get one for Styles, close it. It has the end right there, and you pop it in like that. Okay, what I had to do to break this line right here was to get it out. I used this to pop it inside. Then it still was kind of tight because it's older. I used channel locks after I popped it. Channel locks right here.
Channel lock tool, save the day.
Pulled it out. That's what it looks like right there. That's it. Gotta be careful because it does have fuel in those lines. Now we go to the other side right back here. Let's see if we could do this one a little bit easier. This is the fuel filter, not the fuel pump. I'm changing out the fuel filter. This clamp was locked in there pretty tight. It went like that. To get in it, to get it out, I used a flathead screwdriver. Little one just got in there and popped it out, just like that. Now, here we go right here. It's a little tight squeeze in here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, bring this down. This is it right here. Right there. Across it. That tool. Here. Still got fuel in it, gotta put my finger right there. Change it, change it out like that. This end facing towards the car. Just like this. Now it's different when you're putting it in. First things first. There. Popped in. After you pop it in like that, lock down like this. There, it's locked in. Now put it in just like that. Now the other end, right here. This would be a better view, but do the same thing. Just like that. Popped in. Bring it down. There it is. Wow. That's your fuel filter right here. This is the part you need right here. The fuel filter. Aftermarket part. It will do the job right here. Everybody take another glance at it. Right here. 1, 2 clamps on top. And the tool you need will be this. Some channel locks because it will get tight. And your flathead screwdriver to pop up in the clamps right here. There it is for that. Sounds nice, sounds good. I am the doctor. Subscribe to my channel.
Look at my next video. Look up there on the screen for my video to also put in a fuel pump Ford Focus. Peace and have a nice day.